Welcome to our three-part tutorial about using styles in Microsoft Word. In Part A, we will take a manually formatted document and learn several methods for transferring those formats into the default Word styles, making visual enhancements as we go. We will see how to effectively assign those styles to existing text and discover how heading styles bring structure to even a one-page document. In Part B, we will take a multi-page unformatted document and see how to adjust our layout to most effectively assign the default styles. We will discover how styles power both the outline view and navigation pane, making it easy to navigate and even restructure multi-page documents. In Part C, we will see how styles allows us to instantly alter the format of our entire document and help to create and maintain a table of contents. Styles also provide collapsible headings that assist with the final edits, transforming simple text into a professional-looking document. If you are attempting to follow along with this tutorial, you may have to adjust the following settings. Set the view mode to print layout, turn off the ruler and navigation pane, and set the zoom level to 100%. There are a couple of features in Word's option settings that we need to verify before proceeding. Click the File tab and select Options. Make sure that Show Mini toolbar is turned on. Now bring up the Advanced Options dialog. Scroll down to the Display portion and make sure that the Style Area pane is set to at least 3/4 of an inch. Return back to the document, select the Home tab, and your display should match this layout. In Part A, we will learn how to transfer existing formats to the default styles, making some modifications as we go to produce a nicely structured and easily customizable document. This document has been formatted manually, but doesn't use any of Word's built-in styles. Notice that the default normal style stays selected, regardless of which formatting sample we select. To see how other default styles would change the document, select a line and hover over a style sample to preview its effect. Clicking on a style sample will apply that style to the currently selected text. This change can be undone by pressing Ctrl-Z. Since we are relatively happy with the current layout of our document, we will start by overriding the built-in styles with the current formatting. Start by selecting the text line and then right-clicking on the style that we want to change. Select Update to Match from the pop-up menu, and the format settings are transferred into the style sample. Formatting that is used repeatedly to divide the document into sections is referred to as a heading. Select one of these lines and transfer the formatting to the Heading 1 style. Let's make a minor adjustment to the next level of headings before transferring the formatting. Clicking in the margin area is the easiest way to select a whole line of text. This pops up the convenient Formatting mini-bar, which also provides access to the style presets. We can transfer the formatting here just like we did in the Home ribbon. Let's make a minor change to our new Heading 1 style to make it easier to see where it has been assigned in our document. Right-click on the style sample and select Modify. The Format button provides access to all format settings for that style. Let's simply change the color of the font. Assign this style to another heading in the document. The Style Preview in the Home ribbon provides easy access to only a small number of the available styles. Fortunately, we can attach a Styles sidebar, which provides a more convenient and comprehensive listing. Use this sidebar to easily assign styles to text. This sidebar allows us to collapse the main ribbon so we can see more of our document. Adjusting the zoom level helps as well. Use Control-click to select multiple lines and assign a style to all of them at once. The Show Preview option allows you to quickly review the formatting assigned to each style. Let's create a whole new style to handle the bullet points in our document. Start by selecting a bullet line and use the mini bar to change the bullet symbol. Right-click the bullet line and use the pop-up Edit menu to adjust its paragraph settings. Click the New Style icon in the Styles sidebar and give the style a name. Use Control-click and drag to select all the other bullet points. And assign the new bullet style from the pop-up mini bar. Assigning styles to a document provides much more than just formatting convenience. Revealing the navigation sidebar provides access to these new capabilities. All the headings are listed here, and our position within the document is tracked. The navigation sidebar is dynamically updated as we assign styles to text. We can now easily jump to any section in our document. We can even reorganize headings by clicking and dragging in the navigation sidebar. The heading and all of the bullet text below it are automatically repositioned in the document. This button brings you back to the top of the document. This shows you both the power and convenience of using styles, even in a single-page document. In Part B, we will take a multi-page, unformatted document and use Word's various view modes to effectively apply the default styles to create a formatted document that is easy to navigate and restructure. While we simply assign styles from the home ribbon, it will require a lot of scrolling and mousing around, so let's use some of Word's other features to optimize the process. Switching to Draft View reveals more of our document at once. Note that the assigned styles are listed in the right-hand column. Adjusting the layout to use narrow margins reduces the amount of word wrapping, while switching to Landscape reveals even more text. Switch to the Home tab and turn on the paragraph marks. Activating the Styles sidebar allows us to collapse the main ribbon, maximizing the document viewing area. Now we can easily assign styles as we page through the document. It is often helpful to make small adjustments to the built-in heading styles to make each one of them more distinctive. It is now easier to distinguish between Heading 1 and Heading 2. Use Control-click to select multiple headings and assign a style directly from the pop-up mini bar. Note that Word has automatically made Heading 3 available after we have assigned Heading 2. Let's quickly adjust this new Heading 3 format to make it more distinctive. The final formatting will be decided upon and applied later. Each heading style has a built-in shortcut key combo that can save you even more time. Control 3 will assign Heading 3 to each of the selected text lines, while Control 2 will assign Heading 2 to both of these. Of course, you can just use the appropriate shortcut key as you encounter each heading line. Use whichever approach seems more appropriate to the given situation. Unformatted text often has extra blank lines that should be removed, as the headings can handle spacing more elegantly. Click the Home tab, lock the ribbon back in place, and select the Replace option. Click the More button to access the list of special markers. Replace all double paragraph marks with a single marker. Close up the Replace dialog, and our document is now ready for final formatting. Select the Layout tab and set the margins back to normal and the orientation back to portrait. Select the View tab and switch back to Print View. Select the Home tab and turn off the paragraph marks. Heading styles are the key to making documents easy to navigate and organize. Turning on the navigation sidebar shows all the headings revealing the basic structure of our document. Switching to Outline View reveals the Outlining tab, which provides additional features for reviewing and manipulating this structure. Reducing each paragraph down to a single line reveals the structure while still maintaining the context of the content. The outline can be reduced down to whatever level is appropriate. Click and drag can be used to easily manipulate the overall structure. Let's reset things and exit from the outline view. Like the outline view, the navigation sidebar can be collapsed down to a specified level. The Pop-up Styles menu provides a way to select all the text assigned to that style. We can now perform a task on all of these headings by changing their text to uppercase. In Part C, we will see how styles interact with themes, help to create a table of contents, and assist with final edits to produce a professional-looking document. The Design tab provides access to a large variety of style sets, providing different looks and numbering systems. Let's choose one that utilizes colored backgrounds for the headings. Now we can select a color scheme to customize the look of the style without adjusting its underlying format. Themes are supersets of styles, each containing their own style sets, font selections, and color schemes. Combined with styles, these features allow us to change overall appearance of an entire document with a single click. Heading styles also allow for the easy creation of a table of contents for the document. Select the References tab, create a blank line where the table will be inserted. Click the Table of Contents button and select the desired format. A table of contents is automatically inserted, but it is more detailed than we want it to be. We can control the level of detail by choosing a custom table of contents and adjusting the maximum heading level to show. Tell Word to replace the existing table with the new one. This is more like what we want, but take note that the table of content does not update dynamically. If we use click and drag in the navigation pane to rearrange the document, you will see that the corresponding entry in the table doesn't change position. Choosing the Update Table option gives you the option to update only the page numbers. Choosing to update the entire table will now reflect the change in the structure of the document. Now place a page break before the first Level 1 heading and we're ready for our final editing. Heading styles also provide the ability to selectively expand and collapse whole sections of a document. This allows you to focus on editing each section in turn. Right-clicking pops up a menu allowing you to expand or collapse a single header, or all headers at once. Styles are the key to creating versatile documents that are easy to organize, navigate, and customize.